Meaning of Eurostar.
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 Eurostar. Eurostar is a high-speed railway service that connects London with European cities like Paris, Brussels, and Amsterdam via the Channel Tunnel. The service began operating in 1994 and has since transported millions of passengers across Western Europe. Eurostar trains offer a comfortable and efficient travel experience with state-of-the-art amenities such as Wi-Fi and onboard dining. The service has played a significant role in promoting cross-border tourism and business, fostering closer ties between the United Kingdom and mainland Europe.